my favorite new color of iPhone. How's it going, Matt?
What's up, buddy?
And how's your foot?
Huh?
How's your foot?
Thank you.
With Apple, it's kind of a double whammy because they make the majority of their iPhones and other gadgets over there in China. So they've got that, and then China is their third biggest market behind the US and Europe. And so people just aren't shopping, they've been closed. And they knew the factories are going to stay closed longer than usual for the Lunar New Year, but things are kicking up, the production's coming back a lot slower than expected. And that's what prompted the revenue warning, because now they don't only have to worry about, you know, Chinese people not shopping as much because they're not going out as much and stores are closed, but now they just can't make as many iPhones for the rest of the world. Some analysts are estimating it's going to maybe cost them 8 million iPhones, that fewer iPhones will be sold in this quarter than otherwise. So that's a significant hit. Now they're saying, basically they said in late January they'd have revenue between 63 billion and 67 billion for the quarter ending March 31st. Now they're saying they won't even hit that. They won't get. They're not saying how much they're going to miss it, but they're not going to hit even 63 billion. Is basically what they're saying with today's announcement. You know, the stock's taking a hit, but it's, you know, it's not a huge sell-off like when they first early in 2019 when they warned that iPhone sales had dropped off the map. It's nothing like that. The stock really tanked and went all the way down to 142. The stock today is only, you know, down 2%. And that's because Apple's kind of developed this ecosystem now where they make a lot of money from services to their credit. So they have a base of 1.5 billion devices where they're selling, you know, music subscriptions, warranty programs, and now the new video service. Those kinds of things are being sold, and so they've got that revenue stream. As the timing, if this had to happen, is actually pretty good for Apple because there's a lot of consumers that are probably holding up to the fall release anyway, because that's when Apple's expected to release its first 5G model, the new hyper fast wireless network that's going to be able to work with those that are being built. So some people are saying, I don't want a new iPhone anyway right now. I'm going to wait till September.